Well, would you look at that beauty?
Yeah. Yeah, he's trying to fake like he's an alien, which he is. Yeah. Yeah, he's an alien. He's still alive. Oh. Seriously, it's overdone.
No, it's not. It's still on.
Yeah, get down, alien. Yeah, feel the thunder. Ow.
You did.
Yeah, I got him all right.
Yeah, well, I just saved the world. Yay! I love you, all those sexy girls out there. You better come date me since I just saved the world. Bye.